what's up guys, and welcome to another video. For this look, I'm going to start off by applying this NYX eyeshadow base to all my lid. And I've already done my eyebrows, so just going to apply that base. And it's the white base with a shimmer in it. And it's one I always use. Then I'm going to take my NYX glitter base, and I'm going to put just a little bit on my finger. And I'm going to apply it to the middle part of my lid. I'm going to do that to both sides. And then I'm going to take this eyeshadow called Electric, oh my gosh, Electric, from the Subculture palette. And I'm going to put that over that base that we applied. And I'm going to just dab it on with this little round brush. And I really packed it on. I tried to put a lot of that so it could stand out. Now I'm going to go in with the eyeshadow edge, and using the brush that comes with the palette, the fluffy side, I'm going to apply that on the crease and take it all the way to the inside of my, like the inner corner. I'm just going to try to apply that. And that's my son you hear in the background. So I'm just going to go back and forth with that eyeshadow. And I'm going to do that to both sides. So we're just going back and forth with that brush, applying that yellow shade. And now we're going to go in with Untamed, using this little brush. I'm just going to add some to the inner corner of my eye. And then I'm going to go in with that same fluffy brush that we applied the yellow shade, and I'm going to use that to blend that out. And I'm going to kind of carry it over to like the middle, but over that bright color that we applied. See, just going back and forth, blending it out. And bring it over to the middle. And I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. And take that fluffy brush. And this brush that comes with this palette is really good for blending. Like when I first saw it, that was kind of weird because it's kind of, it looks a little crazy. But it works really good for blending. Excuse me. And then I'm going with this shade Axis. And I'm going to use the same brush, but I'm going to apply it to the outer corner of my eye. Thank you. And then we're going to take that fluffy brush and blend it out. And then add some more and blend it. So I'm kind of just going back and forth with the shadow and then with a blending brush, just so till it gets to what I want it to look. And then I'm going to do the same thing to the other side and blend it. And then I'm going to go in with this wipey to clean up the edges. And I'm going to do that to both sides. Now I'm going to go in with this cube shade. And I'm going to apply it as my highlight. And this is just a elf brush that I'm using to apply this shade. A rounded brush from elf. And then I'm going to go in with that yellow again, edge. Just to add, excuse me. Because sometimes when you blend, like when I was blending the green, I might have messed with that yellow color. So I'm adding some more there. Just to make sure that color comes through. Excuse me. And then the last step with this shadow called Destiny, which I could have left out, but I mean, it's up to you. You can add it or not. I think it would have looked fine without it. But I'm just adding that right there in the crease. And then I'm going back in with the first shade that we used, just to make sure that it's really bright there in the middle. I'm just adding some more of that. And then with the shade Access, I'm going to add it to the bottom lash line right there. And then I'm going to do Untamed in the middle. And then Destiny in the inner corner. Which when I finished doing so, okay, maybe I did it a little too thick, but I just rolled with it because I wasn't going to take it off. Then I'm going to use my Wet n Wild waterproof eyeliner. And I'm going to apply it to both my eyes. I'm going to do the wing liner. Hold on, give me 1 second. Eyeliner. Because my daughter stepped out of the room and, I gotta go check on her because she might end up doing something she's not supposed to. So then here I am out of frame doing my eyeliner. And the same thing to the other side. And then I'm trying this new eyeliner, which is the Hard Candy in the Blackest Black, because my CoverGirl one that I always use ran out. So I thought I'd give this one a try, and I gotta say it sucked. I didn't like it one bit. I'm trying to apply it to my waterline, and I never leave this part in the video, but I left it so you guys can see that, like, it really didn't do much. Like, I was trying to add it, and I even tried like swatching it on my hand to see if I would warm up the product so it could come on easier, but that didn't work either. It was kind of lame. So see, I'm really trying to apply it and it's not working. So, yeah, nope, not good. A waste of $5. See here, I'm like, you really have to press on it, and I'm not about to do that to my waterline. So, well, apparently I tried again, but it didn't work. And then I got this new mascara, which is a Maybelline Falsies, because the other one I have already, it was a little dry, so I just purchased this one. And this one I was a little more satisfied with than the eyeliner, which was a total fail. And this is the last step for the eyeshadow look. Just the mascara, and you're gonna see a good like 20 seconds of me doing this. I should have trimmed it a little more, but it's okay. And then I'm gonna try to put some on the lower lash line. And then the same thing to the other side. And that's it. This is all I did for this eyeshadow look. Once again, I hope you guys liked this video. Hope you found it helpful. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the little bell, if you want to get notifications of when I upload. And we will see you in the next one. And here's the final look. Thanks, guys. We'll see you. Bye.